Good day, brothers and sisters. Who am I in the sight of the Lord? Brothers and sisters, in our world today, we live in a life of comfort, in a sense. We live in a technologized world, in a digital world. We observe that life is becoming centered to itself. Everything are instant, from food to relationship among each other. That it seems everything are possible in the human mind. But when we go deeply in our inner self, when we ask ourselves the question of who am I in the sight of God, we answered in emptiness. Our answers to it is shallow. That is why there are a lot of people committing suicides, killing themselves, rampant of abortions, especially among teenagers, because they are empty. They did not understand who we are from the beginning. In the book of Genesis, God said, "Let us make man according to our image and likeness." Man is created in the image and likeness of God. We are endowed with the gifts from God. We are given with freedom and intellect. However, it is so sad to know that people nowadays treat themselves like an animals. Our life is from God, who authors everything. Let us not forget or try to forget that who we are in God is that we are precious, special, and blessed. We are all God's children. Therefore, never lose hope in everything we do. It is good to be alive. It is a blessing to be alive. Let us not waste our life without purpose. We are all have purpose. Our life has meaning. We are like flowers in the garden with different and vibrant colors and designs. Who we are in God is not just an ideology, but a reality that we are God's. We are beautiful in the sight of God. That is why, in everything we do, let us align our life to God's will and goodness. Thank you.